Today we're making a quick version of a vegetable side dish to celebrate both AAPI history and Mental Health Awareness Month. Meet Sigeumchi-Namul, a Korean spinach side dish.
You deserve to be happy and healthy.
Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. This channel is for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits. So if you're interested in doing just that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and watch all the way to the end for bonus tips. This recipe is adapted from Maangchi YouTube's quintessential Korean mother-in-law. To blanch, bring your water to boil covered. This traditional recipe uses whole long bunches of spinach, and I have a lot of super greens in my fridge that I don't want to go to waste. So Maangchi, I hope you're not upset at me for making this edit. I'm doing it respectfully. Thank you so much in advance. But this is really going to help down with washing and the cutting time. These organic greens are triple washed and also the perfect size. Let's go ahead and blanch them. We have some casualties. So there is some kale in here, so that's going to take a little bit longer than the spinach and the beet greens. Gently mix to submerge all the leaves. While that's blanching, go ahead and prepare your ice bath. All right, our ice bath is ready. Turn the heat off, and now we're going to take them out and put them in our ice bath. Here's our ice bath with our greens. While the greens are getting an ice bath, let's go ahead and crush this garlic and mince it to as fine pieces as you can. Okay, here we are. Minced garlic, 1 clove. And then we're gonna chop up these onions. I already washed them. Ooh, even though they're green onions, they're still pretty pungent. Since I'm not Korean and my only experience is going to Korean barbecues and restaurants, I really look for rooted Korean recipes online from people like Maangchi, and hope y'all do the same while you explore Asian culture and dishes this AAPI month. Also, make sure to check out my video on why spinach makes you happy. Okay, now we're gonna add equal parts of soy sauce, which is 1.5 tablespoons, and sesame oil. This is the sauce. And then we're just going to mix that up. Now we're going to get our spinach and make sure there aren't any cubes in it. And we're going to gently squeeze the water. Beautiful. And then we're going to set it in this bowl right here, and we'll keep going. Okay, let's go ahead and add our seasoning to the spinach. And Maangchi actually used her hands to do this. And honestly, I feel like I would probably add another 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. And this was 8 ounces of super greens. So 8 ounces is 1/2 pound. Work it in there. You can use 2 hands. Before you serve, always taste it first to check for the salt level. So let me try one. I'm thinking it needs just a little bit more of soy sauce, so I'll add just a tiny bit. Maybe 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, let's give this a try. That tastes a lot better. Okay, now it's ready. We can add our toasted sesame seeds on top for service. Here's our Sigeumchi-Namul. It's so good. That wraps it up. I hope y'all are inspired to make this delicious, quick, refreshing spinach side dish. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. See y'all next week, and remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.